Welcome to Insights Live. I'm Rebecca Selby, joined today by Juha Harkonen, Global Alliance Partner Manager for Microsoft. How are you?
Doing great. How are you?
Doing well, thank you. Are you enjoying Insights thus far?
Absolutely. This is my third conference in a row, and it's always great to come and meet with a lot of Epicor partners and customers and kind of hear what they're up to.
Well, I can tell you what people are talking about right now, and that's digital transformation. Can you tell us why companies need to be ahead of this trend in order to thrive?
Sure. Digital transformation is moving business forward, and it's fundamentally changing the way we live our lives. It's giving us time back. It's making our lives safer. It's making us healthier. It's allowing us to be more creative and achieve more, essentially. And companies that really want to thrive in this new era, they have come to the realization, or they need to realize, that it's no longer good enough to just have one big thing. And that creativity is not something that's proprietary to a few. A decade ago, you could have an awesome sneaker or a beautiful thing or a really cool piece of software, and you could dominate your segment for a while. But today, we're seeing that there's micro disruption happening every 12 to 18 months. So it's changing the game. So really, what's the kind of the equation for success? If you take human creativity, you take cloud, you take big data, you take advanced analytics, you take mixed reality, you take artificial intelligence, that's really something that will create digital business leaders. And I try to be a glass half full type of a person. So if we think about what is that opportunity size, according to the World Economic Forum, by 2025, that digital market opportunity is about $100 trillion. So that's huge. Digital disruption, inevitable, but the opportunities are enormous.
So how are you helping partners utilize digital technology to grow?
Yeah, so we work with partners such as Epicor, and we believe that if we do certain things with our partners, we can help them basically support their customers in capturing the digital market opportunity. So first of all, working with partners to create new connected experiences, whether it's through mixed reality or through natural language user interfaces and artificial intelligence. Whether it's creating or empowering our partners and customers, employees to first partake, and then secondly, also to achieve more through connecting our partner solutions and extending our partner solutions with our business productivity and intelligent enterprise solutions. So that would be Office 365 and Dynamics 365. And lastly, by driving operational efficiencies. So if we take our partners' assets and put them in our intelligent cloud, and we believe that if we do these things with our partners, that will allow their customers to really capture that digital market opportunity.
I think you're right. So when it comes to digital technology, what's next?
What's next? I think if we kind of think about how did we get to where we are today? Really, digital transformation had kind of two waves. The first was digitizing content, music, designs. Today, for every analog asset, we pretty much have some kind of a digital variant. So for example, if you look at the music industry, what that opened up was the move for something like Napster, MP3s, and today music streaming, which then totally transformed that industry. And the next step in that kind of evolution was digitalizing or automating business process. And today, when you add that big data, those analytical insights on top of that, you kind of see that there's this new opening for a whole new services economy. And an example of that everybody can relate to is, of course, Uber, and how that ride-sharing model transformed the taxi industry. But it's not just a consumer kind of trend or phenomena, it's also something that we're seeing in industry and commercial. So if you are, for example, an owner of a large building, do you today buy an elevator or do you buy lift capacity? Do you, as an airline, buy a jet engine or do you buy, subscribe to uptime?
Interesting.
So those are kind of changes that we're seeing, and of course, for this audience, I think 3D printing is going to be very interesting. So as commercial printers and that technology evolves and prices come down, it's sure to have a very big impact on supply, logistics, manufacturing, and retail.
All things that are very important to our customers specifically.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate it. If you'd like information on digital transformation and technology that can help you through it, please visit epicor.com.